Alright, this is adding a text bubble to one of your photos using the markup tool. Once you have your photo, go ahead and click Edit. And to get to the markup tool, we're going to hit this circle with 3 dots. It's at the bottom for iPhone Pluses. It's at the top for regular iPhones. Click Markup. Now here at the bottom on the far right, there's this plus button. Let's go ahead and choose the text bubble, which is this third one. Bottom row, third from the left. And it puts a little text bubble on there. So, I can't quite get it to fit like that. But let me just go ahead and put a thin one in there. See, I'm changing the size based on these handles. You can move the handles. I'm going to move the entire text bubble by dragging it over here, and then I'm going to move the handles. These green handles are the rotation, and the width of the bubble, the length of the pointy thing. Here we go. So you can rotate it here. You can make it wider or smaller here with the dialogue triangle. And once you got it in the spot, I'm going to click the color here and I'm going to make it yellow so it's easier to see. And here's the width. Here you can completely fill it. You can make it thin, thick, classy, or just completely filled in. And now I'm going to put a little text in there. Let's see, looks like it's hard to see, but it put a little text box right in the black, so it's hard to see. So you drag that whole thing over, tap the text box, edit, and then we write our little message. Tap the screen to get rid of the keyboard. And it looks like you can change the width of the text box. Or I'm assuming if you start typing beyond that, edit, it will probably make it bigger. Okay, it fixes the width and it adds a new line. So if you want to make it wider, you just tap the text box and then drag it. But for these purposes it doesn't matter. Alright. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have any video requests, leave a comment below. If you are interested in further iPhone support, you can take a private iPhone lesson or online courses at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.